Welcome y'all, this is a Girl Car Mods update. So where we left off, we were fixing the hood, but since then Egypt kind of has been driving a little funny, so I took her to the shop so we could see underneath her and see what was going on. The guys were running their test while I was thinking about how much this was gonna cost me, but after their test they finally gave me a list of the parts I'm gonna have to replace, so I just decided to go ahead and replace my whole tire system. Remember guys, this is the style that we're actually trying to go for. We're just not getting started, but it's a slow process and I'm paying for this out of pocket, so we're gonna take this day by day, but that's besides the point. When I say I'm replacing everything, I'm replacing my shocks, my struts, lug nuts, my wheels, my tires, and I actually picked out some nice ones, so wait to see what I get. But that's not the only thing I'm replacing. I finally got my quick release steering wheel in the mail. It goes along with my hub and my adapter. They're gonna look so cute when we install that, and I'm gonna have a video for that whole thing, and we can finally replace this old factory one. And I'm getting some interior design coming, so we're gonna get rid of all this old ash gray color. But if you want a full-length video of that, make sure to check out my YouTube. Thank you guys. Bye.